Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Welcome back to my channel. Bukenzio here, and this is Bukenzio's Corner. Welcome back. It's a brand new vlog, and I hope you guys will enjoy this particular one. Thank you guys so much for the love and support shown towards my previous video. The congratulations message about my marriage. Thank you so much. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the prayers. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. So guys, back to the aim of this video. I am going to be unboxing this box, my bridal box. I'm going to be unboxing it in this video. This box is so heavy. You guys, about Shakara. This box is so cute. It's so huge. It's so beautiful. I promised myself, I said I'm not gonna open this box. I'm going to open it in the presence of my family, my YouTube family. You guys are amazing. I can't do anything without you. So you guys, you are familiar with the fact that I just got married, and if you are familiar with Yoruba Nigerian wedding, you know there is a particular list the bride's family gives the groom's family, and it is called the bridal list every Iyawo, to be precise. And in the bridal list, it entails the food stuff required by the bride's family to the groom's family. The list, what's it called, the items they are meant to bring for the engagement ceremony of the wedding. And in that list, we usually have the likes of tubers of yam, the likes of drink, the likes of honey, the likes of cola nuts, bitter cola, vegetable oil, palm oil, and all of that. And aside from those particular items, there is a small segment meant for the bride's personal item. And here I am with my box given to me by my mom-in-law, my groom's family. Actually, you guys, my mom-in-law, she's an amazing woman. Oh my goodness, I can't wait for you guys to meet her in my subsequent video. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to make videos together with that woman. That woman is amazing. She's a whole lot. She's a deal for me, you guys. So let's go into this video. As you can see, my bridal box is locked, and I was given the key to the box by my mom-in-law. That woman is so dear to my heart. If you are seeing this video, mommy, I love you. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing this box. So yeah, unlocked. Let's open this box together. Oh my goodness, like the excitement, the anxiety, everything is happening to me right now. Like everything, I can't wait to see what the content is. So guys, we are together in this. Let's get it open. But before then, aside from the fact that the content is going to be amazing, you guys, check out this box. Check out the color. Is it not lovely? I love the color actually. So guys, let's just dive into the video. Let's dive into the video. Oh my goodness! This is huge. This is huge. This is too much, you guys. Oh my goodness, this is huge. Like, I actually thought the item is going to be just a small thing, but you guys see, this is so huge. So let's start unboxing one by one. So you guys, these are two segments. This is empty, and this is where the items are. So I am going to be unboxing and showing you guys equally. I am going to be dropping them here for somewhere here. I don't know. Yeah. So let's start unboxing. What is this? Let's get to see this together. Oh my goodness. There is a thing with Yoruba, what's it called? Yoruba people. They love dashing people Ankara. Like, I can't imagine. I don't know if I'll be unboxing my gift. I have loads of gifts, like wedding gifts. Like in recent time, I never thought I would get what's it called, wedding gift. I never thought, like, I knew I was going to get few gifts, but I never knew it would be that huge. Like if you check one of my room, it contains my my wedding gift. Like, oh my goodness, they are huge. And in my father's house back in Ogun State, the gifts are huge. Oh my goodness. So you guys, I don't know, I actually don't know if I'll be filming it, but then you guys will get along, you guys will see. So like there was a call from my mom, and my mom told me I have like 10 Ankaras. Like this is actually a 6 year, I think. This should be 6 year. Yes, this is 6 year. Like I have 10 of these as gifts. Like oh my goodness. So guys, oh my goodness, this is for me, my bridal box. Wow, woo, it's actually cute. Like you guys know I'm a fashion designer. If you check my intro video, I'm a fashion designer, and I can't wait to show you guys what this would look like in any outfit. This is so cute. Thank you, mommy. This is so cute. So here is the first item I'm unboxing in this, what's it called, in this box. Oh my goodness, wow, this is lovely. This is actually a, what's it called, an head tie and the ipele. If you're familiar with Yoruba outfit, you know we'll tie this on the head and put this on the shoulder or wrap it around our waist. It's actually beautiful. I actually don't have any scarf of this color. I love it. Thank you, mommy. Love, I appreciate you. Wow, so I have 2 of these. This is another color. This is in gray. Is it gray or silver? I actually don't know, but I light gray. It's actually cute. Thank you, mommy. Oh my goodness, so I have shoes in my box. Look at this. This is cute. Is this thing not cute? And it's my perfect size, you guys. Oh my goodness, I love what I'm seeing. I love the content already. Oh my goodness, another shoe. My goodness. Wow. Another bright color. I love the fact that this comes in navy blue color. Like I've never had something like this. I've never had something of this nature at all. I've never had it in my entire life. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. So what's here? I don't know. Let's get to see it together. Oh my goodness, I don't know if this thing is focusing enough, but here is a powder set. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Oily cosmetics, Casvin cosmetic. Oh my goodness, this is cute. Wow, as if she knew I don't have a good powder. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to use this cuteness. I can't wait. I really can't. So it's double. Like, oh my goodness, this is the first time I'll be seeing double powder. Don't mind me. One, it has 2 layers. There is a powder here. There's another one here. Really? Oh my goodness. All for me, mom in love. You're an amazing person. Like, I don't know. I actually don't know how to repay all of this. This is cute. Wow! What the God! Oh my goodness. See, this woman is amazing. This woman is everything. Is it focusing? You guys should see. Like, I actually don't know if it's focusing. This is one of it. So I have 2 wristwatch. This woman knows what I love. Like, I usually like my wristwatch to be this small. I don't like all these big face, what's it called? All these big faced wristwatch. They are usually not my thing. I love my wristwatch to be this small. It's usually so beautiful. Like, I can't wait to rock these items. I can't wait. Like, you guys invite me to your party. You guys knows me. Like, I usually like to put on my jewelries and all of that. You guys check this out. It's my perfect fit. Oh my goodness, I love this. Thank you, mommy. Let me keep this back and check the rest. You guys, like, wow, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my OMG. Wow, I love this love container. It's so cute. It's so beautiful. This container is so cute. Let me see what's inside. Oh my goodness. Bangles. Wow, it's a set of necklace, it's a set of neck piece, earrings and bangles. Oh my, it's so cute, it's so lovely, and it comes with earrings, it comes with a bangle. Oh my goodness, I love this piece. I can't wait to start rocking it. You guys, please invite me for your party, and if you watch till this stage of this video, why don't you subscribe? It's actually free. Please just click the like button, click the subscribe button, and of course the bell beside the subscribe button, so that you get notified. You'll be the first person to get notified each time I upload a new video. Oh my goodness, this piece is so cute. I love it. Thank you, mom. He loved. It comes with earrings and it comes with a bangle. You guys, see this beauty. I love it. I can't wait to start rocking it to parties. I can't wait to start rocking it to events. You guys, invite me for your event too. I'm available. Like, I'm open for all ceremonies. Just invite me. I can't wait to come and hit your rice. Thank you guys for seeing this video. Oh my goodness, this piece is so cute. Oh my goodness, you guys see the dashing color. You guys see the glowing gold color. I love this piece. Oh my goodness. Oh my, like, OMG, this woman knows what I like. My mom-in-law is just the best. Like, I love that woman so much. She means so very much to me. You guys, check this piece. I don't know why this thing is not focusing. Oh my goodness, this piece is so lovely. It's a chain with pendant, and it has earrings as well. Oh my goodness, I love the oval shape. You guys, check it out. It's so cute. I love the dashing gold color. Like, the gold color is actually different from this shade. This looks like champagne gold, while this is I don't know what the name of this shade, but I love it. I actually love it. Of course, I love every content of this box. Like, this woman is so amazing. Another thing in this box, oh my goodness, so I still have fabric in this box. Oh my goodness, I still have fabric. Oh my goodness, like, you guys know I'm a fashion designer. I can't wait to start rocking these items. I can't wait to start rocking my fabric. I can't wait to start making beautiful outfits out of this fabric. This fabric is so fine, and I actually don't have this color. I've never had this color in my life, and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, mom-in-law. You did an amazing job getting this box for me. Oh my goodness, this is another bright color, royal blue. It's just the best. Like, this color is so cute. It's so dear to my heart. Thank you so much, mom-in-law. Oh my goodness, I think that's all in this box. You guys, we have finally come to the end of unboxing my bridal box. You guys, I hope you love what you see. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, help me grow. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the love so far. I hope you enjoy unboxing this box just like I did, because I absolutely enjoy unboxing. You guys know unboxing videos are a big deal. They are usually interesting. You guys, what do you think about this love box? I love this box actually. Like, I love this. I love the shape. I love everything about this box. It's so cute. You guys, my jewelries are a whole lot now. I need to get a bigger jewelry box to contain all my lovely. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, share. Why not? Just subscribe. It's free. Oh, you guys, like, it's free. It's actually free. You guys should subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Let other people see this vlog. Let other people see my videos. Please share with your family and friends. Comment. Let me know what you think about my gifts. Let me know what you think about my items. Thank you guys so much for your love so far. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting this poor girl. Thank you so much. You guys, as I said earlier, I actually don't know if I will be unboxing my gift, my wedding gift, on camera. Actually, because there are a whole lot. There are a whole lot. I can't wait to share with you guys. I don't know if I'll be unboxing my wedding gift on camera, but if I'm unboxing, I'm definitely going to carry you guys along. Like I actually wish to share with you guys. I actually wish to unbox my wedding gift with you guys, but there are a whole lot. Like I am going to just get the energy from anywhere, and of course share with you guys all of my wedding gift. But here is my bride's box, my bridal box, my bridal gift from my groom's family. Thank you, mommy-in-law, for all that you do. Thank you all. Thank you for all that you've got. Thank you for all the items in this box. I actually love all the content. I love the box itself. I love the color. I love everything. Every content in this box. Yeah. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'm definitely going to see you in my next video. For now, bye guys. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching.